In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll down to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll all the way down, click on Screen Refresh Rate, and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. In my case, Standard. So when I click and go back, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my OnePlus has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!